suits. Fucking jackass.
Read the files on this guy, Les.
I don't know nothing about these files, you fucking jackass.
We gotta find.
Fuck, I want to find something like this with this guy with the big fucking ears.
We're gonna find this guy today.
I
don't even know where this guy is.
You wanna find him?
I know where he lives, but I ain't gonna find him. But I know your boy's on him. I know your boy. I know your boy lives. He lives with your boy. That's why. He don't work here. He don't even live here. His boy lives down here.
What is he, a crackhead?
I don't know. He has a crack house. Your boy know where he lives. Your boy stays with him.
You have to lock him up.
Well, that's it. I don't know, so I don't.
Does Lester? Who has the badge?
Lester's got the badge. He's
No, you don't.
It's in the shirt.
Make sure it's out because he can't make any arrests without it.
It's in my shirt somewhere. I don't know. It's too hot for me in this fucking badge. It's too hot to be wearing this shit.
Let me see it, Les.
What? It's too hot to be wearing this shit.
It's too hot?
Yeah, sometimes it's getting hot.
There, just put it right in there now. That's all we need. When you lock him up, man.
I don't need to lock nobody up.
You're gonna have to.
I already beat him up and knocked his damn teeth out. You wish you had a pool like that on the fucking floor.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. Fuck you and your camera shot.
You're fucking sick, you know that?
Yeah, I'm sick. I'm sick in the fucking head, okay?
You see that crane there?
Yeah.
That's the shit I used to work on. Shit like that. Forklifts and...
Forklift? You used to work in this shitty place?
Yeah.
Forklift? What the hell are you doing in this place? Fucking,
Now come in with me real beat.
Huh?
Come in with me real quick.
For what?
I gotta go in there real quick.
Alright.
Where you going now?
I don't know where to shut up. You gotta ask me.
Look at this muffin head, Les. Les, look at this muffin head over here.
Oh.
Alex with his head.
So?
Blue boy.
Water boy. I don't know.
Here, grab my truck, okay?
Alright.
What's wrong?
Huh?
Okay?
Yeah, I'm
Why don't you
fine.
adjust it so
Have to adjust
fucking hit?
I did just.
You have to wear this
You
shit.
think I did?
No, leave it. You got a big head. Looks good like that,
Yeah,
Colin.
that's perfect.
It is perfect.
That's where I used to work, B.
Alright, well,
Huh?
this place hard to work, bro.
Hell yeah.
It is, right?
Many years, B.
I don't know.
I was here 13 years. 13. You're going, come on, we're going to go for a ride. You're going to sit up front with
shit.
this guy.
You're driving me?
Sit up
No.
front.
Crazy? You said, you gonna drop your hat?
Yeah. Huge.
How's Frank?
Same old Frank.
Oh, man. How you doing? All right? How you doing? How you up to, huh? Hey, how you doing? I talked to you on the telephone a couple times.
Not me.
Oh, yeah, over Alex's house. You were making spaghetti dinner one night. Yep.
Me?
Yep.
Nah, I never heard of it. I don't never heard about it.
Alex is working with him.
Yeah, that's what I heard, yeah. Having a good time, huh?
Work's over. How was your day at work?
Ain't no truck.
How was your work?
Ain't no work going. Shut up, please.
Work is over with.
Yeah, right.
Did you have a good time?
That ain't no job. Oh, you falling?
Lester.
Sean. Shoot him in the back. Lock him up by the thing.
What's up?
I don't know, Sean. What up, folks?
Who are those guys?
Huh?
Who are those guys?
Huh?
Guys you used to work with?
No, people I used to know. People used to live in the back where I lived.
Look, they're looking at you. They must know you.
They know who I am. They know. They always see me all the time. When I'm at the bar all the time. I'm there all the time. I see them all the time.
So what's this post now? What are we doing?
I don't know.
No, I'm talking to Alex.
Going to post a bill. To bill somebody's husband out.
Really?
Yeah, the fucking whoever the fuck.
Why? What the fuck did he do to his wife?
What?
What did he do to his wife?
I don't know.
Alex?
I don't know.
Beat the shit out of him?
I don't know. He probably killed the bitch.
Hey, don't fuck.
What's up, my man?
So, he beat up the wife, and the wife called the cops?
I don't know.
I'm asking Alex.
Oh, maybe the wife must, maybe the husband must, fucking chopped up and put it in the fucking box. The fuck, put it in the fucking oven. You took up and you could stick your head in it. What do you keep sticking your wife in the box?
Maybe it's the box she's
Little
in.
diet, pizza, little diet for pieces. Drop her head in a fucking
So really,
box.
she chopped the good wife up in the box?
I don't know. Could be.
Is it true? Let's be honest.
Could true. Yeah, it could be true.
So what did the husband do?
I don't know what the fuck you asking me for.
What did the wife do when he did that?
I don't know. What the fuck you asking me?
Alex,
I
you
ain't
gotta
got
soup it
no
up.
fucking crime.
So what did he do, Alex?
What's that?
What were they doing? They found the girl?
Yeah.
What you think they do? They carry the fucking ass, motherfucker. They chop the fucking ass to pieces. What?
Really?
Yep. That's what they did.
What you think he done? What you think they must be doing? They fucking crooks, you dumbass. What you expect?
This is the first bail that Beatles gonna
And
do.
what's today's
There ain't
date?
no first bill here.
No, this is the first time you're gonna do it. What day is this?
I never did and I never will.
Today's Tuesday, the 14th.
Tuesday, March
Ain't no
14th,
fucking time.
2006. Beatles' first bail.
No, it ain't.
And here we, well, won't be your last.
Yeah, it'll be the last of your ass.
What about the other guy we had to get later? He shot his wife in the neck.
Yeah.
You gonna help these guys do the construction?
Hell no, Sean. You crazy? Don't be hold my hand.
Look, Pete.
Go in. Who cares? Who cares?
Say hello.
What? Who cares? Well, we asked you to come in his house. Nothing in it. There wasn't nothing in the house and shit. Just all dog shit all over the place. Dog steps in it.
Tell him about the dog, Les.
What dog?
The guy tried to sell us a dog all broke. That's
I
what
don't know,
about
dirty
it.
dog. That's all I said.
What do you think, Alex?
What? The dog?
Yeah.
What kind of dog was it?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't say. I don't ask. I don't.
Did you buy it?
Hell no.
Why not?
What I want to buy a smelly, dirty ass dog. What's that shit?
Well, you have 4 dogs already.
I don't have 4 dogs. That's his damn dog. I don't buy dogs. He does, not me. I don't buy dogs.
Well, Sean will buy it for you.
Well, that's him. I'm not the one running around buying dogs. That's him.
What about the Hummer? Did you ever buy Sean the Hummer?
Hell no, you crazy? Can't afford to buy no damn car.
Will you give Sean the Hummer?
Hell no.
Huh?
I buy that shit by himself.
What?
He can buy that shit by himself.
Why are you being mean to me?
Cause I feel like it, motherfucker. Don't like it, asshole?
This is broke. I'm just trying to fix it.
Yeah, broke your ass. Yeah, it's not even working.
I know.
Shut the shit off anyway.
Remember that fat guy tried to get us into going to his house? What'd he do, Les? He had all this shit on his hand?
Yeah, shit, he was digging in his ass, had shit on his hand, shit all over the floor.
Oh, he tried to get you to go in the basement in his house?
No, he was asking Sean to go in the basement with him. I don't know what the fuck it was. I stood outside, I had a fucking cigarette.
Does Sean
The next
go,
day I threw the fucking cigarette and blew up the fucking house.
does Sean go in the basement with him?
I don't know.
Sean probably did because he's gay.
Well, that's his business.
You didn't go in the basement with him?
Hell no, I ain't going to the fucking basement with these motherfuckers. Crazy.
Well, if Michael Jackson, what if it was Michael Jackson? He asked you, would you?
Hell no, now. I'll put a gun in his ass.
Oh. Michael's?
You've been so far up his ass, he ain't had no nuts to play with no more.
You've been to his house before, right?
Hell no. Crazy?
You weren't in his room before?
Hell no. Going on nobody's room. Fucking nuts.
No, I thought Sean told me you were.
Hell no.
Sean said you were in the room playing Twister.
Ain't no twist ahead.
Naked.
Ain't no naked head.
But he has to go to court, you have to
He
tell
has to
him.
go to court, man.
Yeah.
I ain't running, Beetlejuice. I don't want you after me.
Yeah.
I don't want you after me.
And what's going to happen if he doesn't go to court? Then what?
Oh, I'll put the handcuffs on you.
Oh, shit. No way. No
Hey,
way.
you don't have no choice, pal.
Oh, Beetlejuice, and then I'll be locked up again? No way. Hey, my man.
Joke.
That's Beetle, the bounty hunter, right?
Beetle the bounty hunter.
That's
You
right.
know, I track him down, brother.
Track him down, lock him up.
Track him down, brother.
All right.
Track him down, lock him up.
All right.
All right, thank you, Beetlejuice.
You're welcome.